CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.6 Given a scenario, configure Microsoft Windows settings. Control Panel. Welcome to Exam Objective 1.6. It is now time to gain some knowledge about the various Microsoft Windows settings, starting with Control Panel, a central hub and trusty sidekick for any Windows user. If Windows were a bustling city, the Control Panel would be its city center, where you can manage everything from user accounts to basic system settings. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, not another tool to remember, let me assure you that the Control Panel is your friend. Compared to some of the more advanced tools we covered in previous objectives, like Performance Monitor or the Registry Editor, the Control Panel is the friendly neighbor who always has a cup of sugar to lend. It's less complex and more intuitive, making it perfect for quick adjustments without needing a deep dive into the more technical aspects of the operating system. Now that you understand what Control Panel is, let's look at how to access it. To open Control Panel using the Windows Run dialog box, press the Windows key plus the letter R. Once the Run dialog box opens, type Control and click OK. This command launches Control Panel. After opening Control Panel, you will be presented with a collection of applets, or small programs, that let you configure various aspects of the Windows operating system. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife for your computer. You can change settings for hardware and software, manage user accounts, and even control the look and feel of Windows. It's all about giving you control over your environment. Looking a bit closer, you'll find numerous categories within the Control Panel, with each category housing specific applets. As you click around, some selections will take you deeper into the Control Panel, while other selections will open an applet in a separate window. You may even be directed towards Windows settings, but we will talk more about that later in this objective. As for the next several video segments, we will look at some of these applets and discuss some of the things they can do. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.